Welcome students. So today's lecture is in continuation of the previous video. The story Growing Up, written by Joyce Carey. We know that it is about the process of mental and emotional development of children or human being that is often unnoticeable or invisible for us. Okay, so this happens in this story as well, and we know that protagonist Robert Quick, he returns home after a long business trip and he finds that his daughter's behavior has changed, and there is a very noticeable change in their behavior towards him. Okay, and he notices that their behavior has become very brutal towards their pet Snort. Okay, and they were behaving very irresponsibly. Okay, so now let us continue the story. He straightened his tie. Who straightened? Robert straightened his tie. Kate had disappeared. Now, Kate had disappeared, and Jenny was looking at his forehead. Forehead, that means matha. Okay, and trying to surpass her own giggles. Giggles means hasi. Surpass, that means she was trying to stop it, but she wanted to do something better than this. Okay, केट जो है वो वहाँ से जा चुकी थी, and Jenny was gazing at his forehead. Now Jenny was gazing, that means she was looking very carefully at his forehead. Okay, forehead means matha, and trying to surpass her own giggles, and she was also trying to stop, or she was also trying to control her giggles. Giggles means hasi. But when he turned away, she caught his arm. But now, when Robert turned away to go, she caught his arm. Oh, Daddy, where are you going? To meet your mother. So Robert answers that to meet your mother. She must be on her way. Oh, but you cannot go like that. We have got to wash your bite. She says that you cannot go like that. Okay, we have to wash your bite first. Okay, that's all right, Jenny. It doesn't matter. But Kate is getting the water and it might be quite bad. She replies that Kate is getting the water to wash your bite and it might be quite bad. Okay, so you cannot go like that. And now Kate, coming from the kitchen with a bowl of water, called out indignantly, "Sit down, Daddy, sit down. How dare you get up?" Now, Kate returns, okay, from the kitchen with a bowl of water. Bowl means pyala of water. And she returns from the kitchen and she's carrying a bowl of water to wash the bite. Called out indignantly. Indignantly means she was showing anger. Okay, she called out indignantly, "Sit down, Daddy, sit down." She was literally scolding him. Okay, "Sit down, Daddy, sit down. How dare you get up?" Dare means आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई उठने की. Okay, she was playing the stern nurse. It was looking as if she was playing the role of a stern nurse. Stern means strict. Okay, ऐसा लग रहा था मन वो किसी strict nurse का role play कर रही हो. Okay, and in fact, Robert, thou still in a mood of disgust, found himself obliged to submit to this new game. Now, Robert, thou still in a mood of disgust. Although Robert was still in a mood of hatred, वो अभी भी गुस्सा था. He found himself obliged, but he found himself compelled, means वो मजबूर हो गया. He found himself obliged to submit. Submit means to yield, to surrender, हार मान जाना. यानी कि बच्चों की जिद के आगे उससे हार माननी पड़ी. But he found himself obliged to submit to this new game. So Robert was compelled to do that, okay? Although he was still in a mood of hatred or disgust, okay? He was not very happy with the behavior of his girls, but he was, at this time, he was obliged to do that, okay? At least it was more like a game. But उसे लगा कि ये लग भी रहा है जैसे वो कोई गेम खेल रही हो, क्योंकि पहले जो उनका बिहेवियर था दैट वाज नॉट अप्रिशिएबल, ओके, इट वाज नॉट मर्डरस। कि अभी जो वो खेल रही हैं या जो भी उनका गेम है या जो भी वो स्टर्न नर्स का रोल प्ले कर रही हैं, एटलीस्ट वो मर्डरस नहीं था, किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाने लायक नहीं था, ओके। And a man so plump and bald could not allow himself even to appear upset by the roughness of children. Now, Robert was very plump. You know, plump means you can say fat. वो बहुत मोटा और थुलथुला था, and bald, और वो bald means hairless. That means गंजा, वो मोटा और गंजा था. Okay, so Robert was plump and bald. Obviously he was very cute, okay, वो मोटा भी था और गंजा भी था, और so he could not allow himself even to appear upset. वो तो उनसे अपसेट होने का दिखावा भी नहीं कर सकता. By the roughness of children, because of the roughness of children, he could not even, pretend to be strict. Even though the children would not understand why he was upset, why he was shocked. They were children only, right? So children, they could not understand why their father was upset with their behavior, okay, and why he was shocked with their behavior. They were totally ignorant about Robert's hatred. वो क्योंकि बच्चे थे तो वो समझ नहीं सके क्योंकि उनके फादर उनसे नाराज क्यों हैं और क्यों वो उनके बिहेवियर से शॉक्ड थे, सरप्राइज थे. Sit down at once, man, Jenny said. Kate, put up the chair. Kate put up a chair. The two girls made him sit down. Made him means they compelled him to sit down on this chair. Washed the cut, and then they washed the cut. Painted it with iodine. Painted means they covered it with iodine. Iodine is an antiseptic element used in medicine. So they applied it on his cut, and they also stuck a piece of plaster on it. उन्होंने उसके ऊपर एक प्लास्टर का टुकड़ा भी चिपका दिया. Mrs. Quick, now she has returned home. Mrs. Quick, and she was handsome, rosy, good-natured, practical, arrived in the middle of this ceremony with her friend Jane Martin, chairman of the welfare committee. Now, Mrs. Quick has returned home, and she was very handsome. Handsome means she was very good looking, okay, and she was rosy. Rosy means she was pink colored. That means she was very healthy and young, okay. This means rosy means she was very pinkish colored and she was very healthy and young, okay. जब आप पेल कहते हैं ना किसी को, दैट मीन्स वो सिक है या थोड़ा अपनी बुजुर्ग अवस्था में है. पेल अगर कहा जाता है ना ऐसे, और अगर रोजी कहा गया है दैट मीन्स शी इज स्टिल यंग और हेल्दी. Good natured, she was good natured and practical. Practical means she was very realistic. She was not very emotional. That means she was realistic. Arrived in the middle of this ceremony, and she arrived in the middle of this ceremony. She arrived when this ceremony was still going on, okay. जब ये सब चल रहा था वो उसी वक्त वहां पहुंचती हैं with her friend. She was with her friend Jane Martin. And what was the name of her friend? Jane Martin. Who was Jane Martin? Chairman of the welfare committee, okay. Both were very amused by the scene. So Mrs. Quick and her friend Jane Martin, they were both much amused. They were much happy by the scene and the history of the afternoon. And they were very pleased with the history of the afternoon. जो भी दोपहर में हुआ वो सब सुनकर वो बहुत खुश हुई. their air. Air means their expressions, their looks, यानी कि जो उनके भाव थे. Air means भाव. Okay, their expressions said plainly to Robert. उनके एक्सप्रेशंस कुछ इस तरीके से थे जैसे कि वो क्लियरली रॉबर्ट से क्या कह रहे हो. All you children amusing yourself while we run the world. While you children were, playing, we were busy running the whole world. जब आप आपस में खेल रहे थे उस वक्त हम दुनिया चला रहे थे. Okay. Kate and Jenny were sent to wash and change their dusty frocks. Now they were sent to wash themselves up and to change their clothes because they were covered with mud. Okay. The committee was coming to tea because the committee was coming for tea party. Okay. And at tea, the two girls, dressed in smart, clean frocks, handed round cake. Handed round means to सौंप देना कोई चीज. Okay, so at that time the two girls, they were now dressed in smart and clean beautiful frocks, and they were handed round cake and bread and butter, and they were handed down cake, bread and butter to serve in the party. And they were behaving very demure and reserved looks, and their looks were very demure and reserved. Demure means shy. Okay, and reserved means quiet. वो बहुत ही शांत और शर्मीले भाव के साथ वहां पर प्रेजेंट थी. They knew how to behave at tea, at a party. Now the girls knew that how you should behave at a party. Okay, and now they were behaving very responsibly and sincerely. Okay, they were enjoying the dignity of their own performance. Now they were enjoying the dignity, that means nobleness. वो गरिमा के साथ जो वो बिहेवियर कर रही थी, वो खुद भी अपनी उस परफॉर्मेंस से बहुत खुश हो रही थी. Their eyes passed over their father as if he did not even exist, or rather as if he existed only as another guest. So their eyes passed over their father as if he did not exist. उन्होंने अपने पिता की तरफ देखा तक नहीं जैसे कि वो एग्जिस्ट ही ना कर रहे हों. ओके, और रादर एज इफ ही एग्जिस्टेड ओनली एज अनदर गेस्ट, और इफ या फिर अगर वो हैं भी तो उनके लिए वो दूसरे गेस्ट की तरह ही थे, टू बी वेटेड ऑन, जो कि उनका इंतजार कर रहे हों. ओके, एंड नाउ सीकिंग एज इट वर अ न्यू if lower level of security, of resignation, he said to himself, heavens, but what did I expect? Now Robert, he was like, it was a resignation, you can say, the acceptance of something that is undesirable but इनएविटेबल. ये कुछ ऐसा था जो रॉबर्ट नहीं चाहता था, बट इसे टाला भी नहीं जा सकता था क्योंकि उसकी गर्ल्स जो थी, दे वर ग्रोइंग अप, राइट. दैट इज व्हाई दे वर बिहेविंग इन दैट मैनर. वो बड़ी हो रही थी, इसीलिए उनके बिहेवियर में चेंज भी आ रहे थे. वो कहता है कि हेवंस, बट व्हाट डिड आई एक्सपेक्ट. रॉबर्ट अब और भी ज़्यादा हार मान चुका था. उसने कहा कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट क्या करना चाह रहा हूँ. In a year or two more, I shan't count at all. Young men will come prowling like the dogs after snot. I shall be an old buffer, useful only to pay bills. Now, Robert thinks that soon there will be young men. बहुत जल्द कुछ यंग मैन भी आ जाएंगे. किसके लिए? उसकी डॉटर्स के लिए. किस तरीके से? जिस तरीके से डॉग्स आते हैं स्नोट के पीछे. प्राउलिंग यानी जैसे चुपके से शिकार करने के लिए जब कोई आता है, दैट इज प्राउलिंग. ओके, तो उनको उससे कंपेयर करते हुए वो कह रहा है कि मैं कौन सी एक्सपेक्टेशंस कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कुछ ही सालों में देयर विल बी यंग मैन and they will come prowling like the dogs after snot. Okay, and I shall be an old buffer, buffer means old fashioned foolish man, and I'll be useful only to pay bills, और मेरा काम सिर्फ उनका बिल पे करना ही रह जाएगा. ओके, The ladies were talking together about a case. Now, ladies in the tea party, they were talking together about a case, the case of a boy of 14. They were talking about a case of a boy of 14, a nice, respectable boy, most regular at Sunday school. They were talking about a boy who was 14 years old and who was most regular at Sunday school, who had suddenly robbed his mother's till and gone off in a stolen car. And this boy had suddenly robbed his mother's till. Robbed यानी चुरा लेना his mother's till. What is till? Till is a box for keeping cash. नकद रखने के लिए, पैसे रखने के लिए एक बॉक्स होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टिल. तो उसने अपनी मदर का जो बॉक्स था वो चुरा लिया एंड गॉन ऑफ इन अ स्टोलन कार. और चुराई हुई कार में वो भाग जाता है. Jenny, seated at her mother's feet, was listening intently. Now, Jenny, who was sitting at her mother's feet, was listening intently. Intently means very closely. बहुत ध्यान से वो सुन रही थी. Kate was feeding a chocolate roll to Snot. And Kate was feeding a chocolate roll to Snot. And she was also tickling her chin. She was tickling Snot's chin. वो उसकी चिन को भी टिकल कर रही थी, यानी गुदगुदा रही थी और उसको चॉकलेट रोल जो है वो उसको खिला रही थी. क्विक फेल्ट एट ऑल एट वंस अ सेंस ऑफ स्टफीनेस. अब उसको दम घुटने लगा. किसका? रॉबर्ट का. ये सब देखते हुए ही वॉन्टेड अर्जेंटली टू गेट अवे. ही जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू टू स्केप. वो वहाँ से चला जाना चाहता था. यस, ही नीडेड सम मेल सोसाइटी बिकॉज ही नीडेड सम मेल सोसाइटी. उसको अपनी आदमी जैसी संगत चाहिए थी. ओके, ही वुड go to the club. So he decided that he would go to the club. Probably no one would be there, and it was possible that no one would be there. But the card room crowd. Card room means a room for playing cards. Cards means tash जो होती है, that is called cards. Okay. Crowd means totally full, यानी कि बहुत भीड़ होना. And he could not bear cards. But Robert could not tolerate this game of cards. But he might find old Wickens in the billiard room. Billiard क्या होता है? Pool table जो होता है, that is called billiards. उस गेम को billiards भी कहते हैं. Okay. And he might find old Wickens in the billiards room. Wickens at 70 was a crashing, dreary bore who spent half his life at the club. So who was Wickens? He was a 70-year-old. Crashing means very distasteful, bad and distasteful. And dreary means gloomy or depressed person. And he was very boring person who spent half his life at the club, who was always telling you how he had foreseen the slum. And this person, he's always telling you that how he had foreseen means to predict, यानी कि पहले से अनुमान लगा लेना. किस चीज का? The slump means मंदी. वो हमेशा आपको यही बताता रहता था कि कैसे उसने मंदी का पहले से अनुमान लगा लिया था. एंड हाउ क्लेवर ही वॉज एट इन्वेस्टिंग हिज मनी. एंड हाउ क्लेवर ही वॉज एट इन्वेस्टिंग हिज मनी. और वो कितना बुद्धिमान था कि उसने अपनी मनी को सही जगह पर इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. कब? मंदी के दौर में. ओके. वॉट गुड वॉज मनी टू गुड ओल्ड विकिंस. रॉबर्ट ने सोचा कि पैसा उस बूढ़े विकिंस के किस काम का था. But Quick thought he could get up a game with Wickens, pass an hour or two. But he decided that he could pass an hour or two with him till dinner time, or even dine with him. So he decided that he could even pass an hour or two with him playing billiards, or even he could stay there at for dinner as well. Okay. He could phone his wife and he will inform his wife on telephone. She would not mind. उसे परवाह भी नहीं होगी या उसे फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा. She rather likes a free evening because Mrs. ये जो सब था वो रॉबर्ट सिर्फ सोच रहा है. ओके. She rather likes a free evening for her various accounts. Accounts means reasons. रॉबर्ट ने सोचा कि उसे तो शायद अच्छा ही लगेगा, उसे अपनी फ्री इवनिंग्स काफ़ी पसंद है जहाँ उसे फ्री टाइम मिले. And he need not go home till the children were in bed. And he also thought that he need not go home till the children were in bed. That means till the children were asleep. जब तक बच्चे सो नहीं जाते वो घर नहीं लौटेगा, ऐसा उसने सोचा. And when after tea the committee members pulled out their agenda, he stole away. और जब टी के बाद कमेटी के मेंबर्स ने अपना एजेंडा मीन्स जो काम करने की जो लिस्ट या सूची जो होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एजेंडा. He stole away. वो छुपकर वहां से निकल गया. Suddenly, as he turned by the corner house, skirting its front garden wall, he heard running steps and a breathless call. When he was turning by the corner house, जैसे वो उसकी गार्डन वॉल से मुड़ने ही वाला था, एक कॉर्नर वाले घर की, he heard running steps. He suddenly heard running steps. He heard that someone was running towards him एंड अ ब्रेथलेस कॉल. और एक ब्रेथलेस कॉल भी उसको, जैसे उसको कोई पुकार रहा था. ठीक है. ही टर्न्ड, वो मुड़ता है. इट वॉज जेनी. शी अराइव्ड. जेनी अराइव्ड पैंटिंग मीन्स वो हाँफ रही थी, बिकॉज शी वॉज रनिंग आफ्टर हिम, होल्डिंग हर सेल्फ बाय द चेस्ट. और उसने अपने आप को चेस्ट से पकड़ा हुआ था क्योंकि वो हाँफ रही थी. ओ आई कुडंट कैच यू. एंड वॉट शी सेड? शी सेड, oh, I could not catch you. What it is now? Is it now, Jenny? I wanted to look at the cut. She replied that I wanted to look at the cut. Robert began to stoop. Stoop means jhukna. But she cried, no, I will get on the wall. Put me up. But she refused. She said, no, I will get on the wall. Put me up on the wall. वो कहती है कि नहीं, मुझे आप वॉल पर बिठा दीजिए, मैं देखूंगी. He lifted her on the garden wall, which made her about a foot taller than himself. उसने उसको गार्डन की वॉल पर बिठा दिया और उसकी वजह से वो उससे 1 फुट और लंबी हो गई थी. किससे? रॉबर्ट से. Having reached this superior position, she poked the plaster. Now she was at a superior position. वो उससे, अपने फादर से superior position में थी, because she was sitting on the wall. And then she poked the प्लास्टर. अब उसने उस प्लास्टर को यूं कुरेद कर देखा. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू मेक श्योर इट वॉज स्टिकिंग. सो शी सेड, आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू मेक श्योर दैट योर प्लास्टर वॉज स्टिकिंग प्रॉपरली. कि मैं सिर्फ देखना चाहती थी कि तुम्हारा प्लास्टर जो है वो अच्छे से चिपका हुआ है. यस, इट्स ऑल राइट. एंड शी सेज, या इट्स ऑल राइट. She looked down at him with an expression they did not recognize. And she looked at him with an expression that was not, he could not understand the expressions of Jenny. What was the game? Medical? Maternal? And now he thought, what was the game? ये कैसा game था? Was it medical or maternal? Was it medical game, or she was behaving like a mother? Maternal means mother से संबंधित. Okay. Was it a game, or Jenny was behaving like a mother? Was she going to laugh? उसने सोचा क्या वो अब हंसने वाली थी. But the child frowned यानी त्योरियां चढ़ाना. Okay. She was also struck by something new and unexpected. Now she was again struck by something new. अब उसके दिमाग में कुछ नया और unexpected फिर से आ जाता है. किस बच्चे के दिमाग में? Then she tossed back her hair. और जाने क्या सोचकर अब वो क्या डिसाइड करती है? Then she tossed back her hair. अब अपने बाल जो हैं वो झटक देती है पीछे की तरफ. And she says goodbye. She jumped down and ran off. The man walked slowly towards the club. अब जो रॉबर्ट है वो धीरे धीरे क्लब की तरफ बढ़ जाता है. No, he thought, not quite a game. Now he thinks that this was not quite a game. She was behaving very seriously. She was behaving like a mother. She was really very concerned about Robert. Okay, and not for half a second. It was not fake. Right? It was not a game. She was serious and she has grown up now. That is why she was behaving like a mother. She was very concerned about her father. She is growing up and so am I. So here ends the story. Thank you.